Okay, we have to go to the link of node 14.21.3, and then after that we can click on this installer. Okay, so if your system is 64-bit, 64-bit, if it is 32-bit, 32-bit. Okay, after clicking on the link, the file will get downloaded in the downloads folder. Just click on that and press enter, and just keep on clicking next. I accept the license agreement and next. Then click on next, 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 install. It will take some time and install the node. Click on finish. Once this is done, the Node.js has been installed. If you want to verify, go to Windows, type cmd, press enter. After that, type node-v. Okay, this will give you the version of the node.